Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day here in France. It is a little bit chilly on the outside, but warm on the inside. I had a busy day. Everybody had a busy day today.
Mama, do please.
Take off your shoes and then you get to do. Take off your shoes and go up and hold your spot for supermarket haul. You guys, I went to the supermarket. Babe and I went to supermarket. Because we had a little time before the kids got home from school, so we did supermarket. But of course, you know that we have to wait on them for the supermarket haul, because supermarket haul is nothing without the entire family. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stick and stay because you're getting the supermarket haul right now. So okay, let's go.
Sarah?
Yes, Sarah,
I have to do.
please. There you go. Can you say hello to the fams? That never get old. Tyler, can you say hello to the fans?
Oh boy.
You know they have no Gaza. Eh?
Look,
Hey.
Honey, look.
My boy get beer?
Mama.
My boy get beer? No. I love tennis, and it's for one reason. Because I love Novak Djokovic. He's my boy and he just got beaten. Novak don't normally get beaten, but that's okay. We'll take it because my boy's a champion either ways. This is not no big tournament. That's okay. Papa shoot me. She said, Papa, stop right there. Choo-choo. Okay, finish. How many shots you gonna give me before you stop? No, Mama not helping you, sorry. She's telling me to
We gonna do that. Good job, Sarah. Okay, no dessert for Tyler. No dessert for Tyler.
Okay, Ty.
Yes, Mama.
No ice.
Mama is gonna give you your bag. See if you can discover the surprise. There's
No
one
ice cream
surprise
for
in it
Tyler,
for
okay?
you, and there's one surprise in it for Sarah. You see it already? Here. Wait.
Maybe.
Tyler have some surprise for you in the bag. Okay, let's go. Supermarket haul time. Let's go. Let's
Sarah,
discover.
what is that?
Watermelon. That's for Sarah.
Wow, petit.
Tell us what it is.
Donuts.
You guys, when I see this, I see Sarah, so I had to pick it up. Knowing me, Sarah loves heart and Sarah loves
She
cheese.
said merci, papa.
Merci beaucoup.
Éclair au chocolat.
So I got that for
Éclair au chocolat.
Sarah, and
Merci,
then I
papa.
Merci, maman.
they're ignoring me, and I got this for Tyler.
Mama,
Tyler loves
can
it.
you eat it?
Yeah, yes, you can eat it.
That's dinner.
Here, Tyler.
And this is a surprise
Did
for
you say please?
Big pizza for dinner.
And
Let's
this
try
is a
this.
surprise for Mama.
Mama and Papa.
Okay, cool.
Mama and Papa. So everybody gets something too today. Sarah says some movie night. Everybody gets something today. And this is for Papa.
Oh,
Turn around. Swap me like Rapunzel.
juice. Ah,
Rapunzel is fleet.
Exactly. We want Rapunzel last week. That's why we're saying.
Sarah, what is that?
What are-
Ooh,
You guys see Sarah thing?
Donuts. Je peux d'abord.
Salad, that's Sarah's favorite.
Ow. Ow. Tell your mama having a headache. I had a long day.
I see
Close it. Close
filet
it back.
mignon. How do you say that in English?
Yeah, filet mignon.
Oh, use the French word for filet
Oh,
mignon.
wait.
Okay. Filet mignon. So that's a good one.
Sorry. Alright. I got some scented
good.
soap on sale for
Is that
clothes.
not smelling like this?
Maybe.
Ça sent bon.
Tyler. Here,
C'est
Tyler.
quoi,
Tyler, what's this?
Nana for Mama. Nana for Mama. Nana for Mama.
Chicken liver. What is chicken liver in French?
Foie de poulet.
Foie de poulet.
Foie de poulet, and we have some noodle soup.
Instant cook.
Yeah.
Of course, coconut water for the woman. Avocado for the woman. And the man sometime when I give it to him. Apple, sweet pepper. Why the supermarket house so dead?
Tomato
Tell
sauce.
what you doing. Tell her please.
Coconut milk.
Me not gonna talk 2 times.
Good job. You slap me without slapping me. Very good. I'm so proud of you. What is that?
Coconut milk.
Good job. Bravo.
Mama, you're a baby.
That's barbecue sauce.
Sarah, what's this?
You're not supposed to
That
talk.
looks like a precious. She only.
Yes. Tyler, hurry. Your bag supposed to be the first bag finished. Apple. Sarah just enjoying her donut right now.
Bag.
More apple.
Banana.
Sarah, what's this? Sarah.
Mama, why is the banana in my
Because I
bag?
didn't want you to crush up put it on top with the bread.
Mama, banana.
Sarah, what's this?
The piece of
She
bread.
knows you.
Bread. Mama, Mama, you take strawberry?
It's too expensive. I'll try and buy it another week. Sir, one small
Apple.
packet of
Apple.
strawberry for €6.
It's
You're getting all of the hug.
Mama, imagine if
She get raspberry.
one,
She'll get
one of these strawberries for €1 and there's only 6 strawberries.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is that, Sarah?
Continue with the bag.
Yes.
Yes.
What is that?
And what is this? Broccoli for
Mama.
and
Sarah.
and
Tyler.
everybody.
Corn.
No movie night tomorrow night. Hurry up, man! I don't have time for your food.
I want movie night.
Sarah, what's this?
Cereal bar.
What's that?
It's not the aim is not to go past.
Mushroom for Tyler head. Come on, thing.
Oh, I see one. Oh, I see two. Oh, I see three. I saw Jock today.
Chicken.
I saw Jock. He was like the grandma was looking at her grandson's head, and she saw a lot of his legs. Lice. And she said, "Damn, lice nowadays they are very smart. They're hiding very well." And the kids say it's because they go a lot to school.
Thank God for now Tyler haven't come home with none, because in these overseas school there's lice a lot. I've never seen one and I don't want to see any. But it's obviously something common on this side of the
Very
world.
common.
Very common.
Very common on my side of the world. It's not common on your side of the world.
No, it's there but it's not as common as here.
They don't care once you have it. That's okay. You don't have to tell them.
Nutella.
Yogurt for mama.
Yogurt for Tyler.
More yogurt for mama.
Oh, you have nothing inside?
Tyler. Hey. Mama,
Yes, Tyler.
why
we have another
why
bunch of
I
fries
have a
and
joke.
You have a joke?
Yes.
You finish your bag?
Yes.
What's the joke?
Why the birds go away from France in winter? No.
Because they want to poop. They want to
No.
caca.
No. It is almost that.
Make sure you say a right one, because I have a cheese in this end that will go smash your face if this is not funny at all.
Because,
So make sure it's
because
funny.
the toilet of the school is sticky. So they go always in this sticky.
Okay.
The school is stinky.
Okay.
So what does that have to do with bird?
Because birds go to school.
Birds go to school.
Bird go to school.
Trying to find the joke. Does he deserve the cheese in his
Bird
face?
goes to school? No, bird.
Oh, another one. Another one.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Why Napoléon Why but comment on dit la bataille Waterloo en anglais.
Why you want to say what?
Why Napoleon lose the battle?
Because he was old.
Because he's how many?
Just boing, boing, boing.
How says the thing?
Tyler, trust me.
When
Bell?
no
Alarm.
You want to be, what you want to
He
do?
will never give him joy.
when we wake
Don't do that.
up.
Alarm.
Wake up to
Réveil.
see that. Oui, réveil, how we say it in English? Réveil.
Alarm.
Alarm.
Very clock.
Because his clock didn't ring.
I'm laughing because I don't get the joke.
Okay, I know you don't get the job. Tyler, you deserve not to say no job. What do you want to do as a future as a job? What kind of job do you want to do in the future?
I want to do clown.
No, because you have no future in
Remember, your
town.
Papa is a teacher, and so whatever joke you give reflect off Papa. So.
No, then funny
Mama?
in him.
Since crab
Tyler, please.
since crab don't know how to swim.
Crab don't know how to
We
swim.
have here yogurt,
and
even the
fish. And fish know how to swim. Crab thinks fish.
I think I laugh more when I eat the carambar than when I eat the Tyler. Give me something.
Papa, arrête. Arrête, papa.
Tyler, you
Okay,
deserve
okay.
an F. An F.
F for funny. That's a good one. See, Mama got little joke.
Mama got much more junk than Tyler.
Mama.
She don't.
Yes.
On fait comme ça, ma choc, because
So why you don't take
That's okay.
Mama?
Because she has some.
Oh.
Mama.
Wait, let's finish this haul first. Then you can tell all of your joke.
Yeah.
Papa,
Tyler, stop please. Corn
It's
and
not
and cucumber. Sarah
On
must
dit
eat
pas les
off
oreilles,
our
j'ai les oreilles d'âne.
finish
Allez,
our donut. Finish.
But Papa did it.
I said finish.
we have flour for the crepe,
Flour for the crepe.
flour for the crepe, and we have what is that?
As obvious have to make crepe around the clock these days.
And patatas.
Honey for the honey.
Honey for the honey. Honey for your honey.
Honey for your honey.
Triples.
More yogurt for you. All you want so much yogurt.
Tyler, what is that? Yeah,
Oi, stop a love making around here.
Mama,
Yes.
since crab don't know how to swim,
Hello.
and fish know how to swim, these crabs think that fish is flying.
Honey?
That's a good one. Okay.
Make the pizza.
Make sure since your joke's bad, you win Papa at rock, paper, scissors, or else be sorry for you tonight. No, it's in there. Tyler. Oh, this wasn't in the freezer. Tyler, you lose at rock, paper, scissors, I'm sorry for you. You'll have a very
I will
bad
have a revenge
evening.
with you.
You'll have a revenge with you, so you think you're gonna beat me?
If I
You guys
But
never
even if I
really
beat Papa, I will do it. And after you will do it, Papa.
This pizza look yummy, yummy.
Papa,
With Tyler.
don't give me back.
Think about what you're gonna play first,
Baby,
okay?
come here. Come here. Yeah, hold the pan. And then I want to show Faye dinner.
Mama, my potato.
That's dinner for tonight. You look nice, don't you?
You don't want this?
You can't hold. You can put it to the side.
Maybe you want to sit down?
That would work. Because it's gonna go fast. Chop them in this. What did the training for rock, paper, scissors? You better make sure so you win.
And how much?
Sorry. How much minutes for the pizza?
How much minutes it takes me to kick the ass?
0 seconds.
7 to 9 minutes.
That's what he said? No, no.
Okay.
Take 10 and you will see after 10 because you already did 4 already.
Yeah. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. Which team are you on? Which team are you on?
Titan.
Yes! Let's go, Team Tyler. We're ready. Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One, Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I should have
How many you got?
1-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2, Papa, 1, Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright, move. Move.
Colonel!
Hurry up, man.
Sarah!
Hold on, Sarah, one water.
Papa il a gagné! Papa il a gagné! Tyler lose!
Boo, Sarah say boo.
Sarah lose!
Boo.
No, because Sarah is tie team.
No,
Sarah is not Papa
Okay,
team.
okay. Come, let me kick your butt so you can go to your room and cry. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1, Tyler. I hate it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, 2-0.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Je suis à 0. Okay, now is it tonight?
Mama, you papa. Mama, you papa.
No, I don't play against soccer.
Come. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. How much you got?
2-1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Jesus Christ.
Sarah, let's try this, Mama.
No, me finish, but Sarah beat me, I'm a ball. No, finish. Finish. No, I take my losing like a champ.
Sarah.
Tyler beat me
Sarah,
and Papa
Mama,
beat
see
me.
more Titan team. Mama team.
Okay, me data. Anyway, you guys, we're going to have dinner, pack out these things, and catch you guys.
And Sarah team's Titan team.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down,